What's good, guys? Welcome to our channel. Second vlog, time for a quick talk. First of all, I have to say welcome to the channel. We started vlogging. Yesterday we uploaded our first vlog. It was a little bit random because we didn't even plan to do anything with it. It was like experimental. So it may feel a little bit boring and chaotic, but like I said, it was just experimental. In the future, through the next episodes, we will try to make those episodes even better and better. Today, I'm gonna meet with Philip and then we will do something interesting. Weather today is horrible like always. Really often the weather is just horrible here in Poland. It's just raining and it's cold and it's cold and it's cold. That's why I kind of feel like there's no perspectives in this city. There's nothing to do. Let's go.
Yo, it's raining, like also in our town.
Yeah, always fucking shitty weather.
That's my boy! Yo, let's go. It's so damn shitty right now. It's cold. It's like 5 degrees Celsius. What's the
And
plan,
it's
bro?
fucking pouring.
Yeah, I think
Let's return to home because my camera in this backpack is not
It's-
waterproof.
yeah, that's right. But my iPhone it is.
Yeah, first iPhone, finally waterproof iPhone.
Yeah, right now we are about to order a brand new MacBook Pro. It's
Yeah.
going to be great. We'll edit so much videos on that, and things are going well. Let's go, man. See you. That's really sucks.
Yeah, so much smoke in the air.
Yeah, that sucks. The air is not fresh. You may get a cancer of the lungs. That sucks. Yo, let's go home. On the way to our beautiful home. That's my boy! Woo! So we are close to home. We did some cool footage.
Some time lapse.
Yeah, and I've got my bracelets on. That sucks.
Yeah.
I can't normally eating. However, one day it will be really good. You are so bad, guy. You shouldn't do that, man.
I know,
Yeah.
thug life.
Oh, there's my boy. That's my boy. Nice eye, man. Let's go. Upstairs. That ass. Fuck, man. What are you doing, man? So we just finished our meeting. Wait.
So we've been like 2
With
hours
with our
in the
friends.
rain with our friends.
Yeah, with a nice girl, and she says that my friend have a beautiful voice.
Nope,
Yeah.
nope.
Oh no, man.
Yeah, much better.
Yeah, much better.
However, right now it's already,
The end of the meeting.
yeah, it's like kinda late, like 8 p.m.
It's not late.
Like not really,
he's
but
about
I have to go.
Yeah, he's going to
Yeah,
Gdańsk,
I'm going to Gdańsk.
to the Polish coast tomorrow, and you will see some cool video
Yeah,
from that place. See you guys.
yeah. See you guys in the next vlog.